transistor. This is well, the whole thing's quite easy, but it's easy. Look at the shape there, and if you look at the shape on the board, it's the same shape. So if you're going to do it that way, obviously the picture and the shape of the board don't line up. So you want to make sure that when you put it in, it lines up with the shape on the board, the picture that's been stamped there. So, alright, so push it in. Yeah, push it in. And now we're just going to flip it over once again and solder it up. And there we go. Have a look at the solder. Solder looks pretty good. Looks pretty tight. Okay, we can clip off all these extra wires later.